Fennel seed is used in many diseases like diabetes, weight loss, digestive system, relief from cough and cold, in gynecology, for skin, helpful in weight loss, for mental health, useful for heart, and also physical properties, chemical properties which are explained further in this video. Benefits of fennel seed. Fennel seed is an important spice in the kitchen, especially added to dal, vegetables, mathri, sweets, pickles, and tea. Apart from this, it is also famous for traditional medicinal use. General information about fennel seed. Fennel seed has a sweet and intense flavor. Its aroma is very attractive and strong. Fennel seed oil is also found in a highly aromatic liquid form. Fennel is used in tea, spices, and other foods. Fennel seed is a multipurpose spice known for its flavor, aroma, and health benefits. Its scientific name is Phoenicellum vulgare. It has been used in food and medicinal purposes since ancient times. It has a prominent place in Indian culture. Chemical composition of fennel seed. Fennel seeds contain many important chemical elements and compounds that make it beneficial for health. Anethole is mainly found in its seeds, which is the main reason for its taste and aroma. This compound is rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Apart from this, fennel also contains chemical compounds like flavonoids, lignans, terpene, camphorol, pinene, cineol, and phenylaldehyde, which benefit health in many ways. Anethole. Anethole is the major component of fennel essential oil and is responsible for the seed's sweet and licorice-like flavor and aroma. This compound produces many of fennel's medicinal properties, such as anti-inflammatory, reducing inflammation, antioxidant, protecting against free radicals, and antimicrobial, fighting infection, properties. Fenchone. This compound produces a mildly bitter taste in fennel and has a strong herbaceous aroma. Fenchone is used to balance the digestive system, reducing gas and bloating. Estragole. This compound is similar to anethole and is thought to be responsible for the mild licorice-like flavor and aroma. It is used for its antispasmodic, calming muscle spasms, and anti-inflammatory properties. D-limonene. This compound is found in small amounts in fennel oil and has a citrus-like flavor and aroma. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Alpha-pinene. This is a common monoterpene found in fennel oil and has a fresh, green flowery aroma. It helps reduce inflammation, soothe the respiratory tract, and provides antimicrobial properties. Camphene. This compound is found in small amounts in fennel oil and has a characteristic earthy aroma. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for health. Flavonoids. Fennel contains various flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants and contribute to its health benefits. The main flavonoids include quercetin. This is a major antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, improve heart health, and reduce inflammation. Camphorol. This is also a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from free radicals and helps prevent cancer while reducing inflammation. Luteolin. This compound is also rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. It helps control blood sugar and improve blood circulation. Phenolic compounds. Fennel also contains some important phenolic compounds that contribute to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Caffeic acid. This is a phenolic acid that has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It protects the body from free radicals and reduces the risk of many diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Ferulic acid. This is also an antioxidant that protects the body from free radicals and benefits health. It helps reduce inflammation and slow down the effects of aging. Dietary fiber. Fennel seeds contain a good amount of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for the digestive system. It helps in relieving constipation, keeping the stomach clean, and maintaining intestinal health. Vitamins and minerals. Fennel contains several important vitamins and minerals, which increase its nutritional value. Vitamin C. Fennel is a good source of vitamin C, which boosts the body's immunity and maintains skin health. Vitamin A. Fennel contains vitamin A in the form of carotenoids, which are beneficial for eye health, immune system and skin. Calcium. Fennel contains some amount of calcium, which helps in keeping bones and teeth strong. Iron. Fennel also contains iron, which helps in blood formation and avoiding anemia. Magnesium. It is essential for the muscles and nervous system and helps in controlling blood pressure. Fennel also contains some other chemical compounds, such as tannins. These are rich in antimicrobial and astringent properties. Saponins. These help in controlling blood cholesterol and strengthen the immune system. Choline. It is essential for liver function and fat metabolism. Medicinal uses. Fennel is used not only as a spice, but also for its medicinal properties. Its seeds, oil, and leaves have various medicinal properties, which help in the treatment of various physical problems. Here is a detailed information about the medicinal uses of fennel. Beneficial for the digestive system. Consuming fennel helps in improving the digestive system. It is helpful in relieving problems like gas, indigestion, bloating and constipation. Chewing fennel seeds keeps the stomach clean and improves the digestion process. Apart from this, fennel tea also relaxes the stomach and increases appetite. Relief from cough and cold. Fennel has anti-inflammatory properties, which provide relief in problems like cough and cold. Fennel tea or paste of its seeds reduces throat inflammation and helps in expelling mucus. Consumption of fennel in winter is especially beneficial to fight cold. Use in gynecology. Fennel is also very beneficial for women's health. It helps in curing menstrual irregularities and balances hormonal imbalances. The elements found in its seeds help in controlling the hormone levels of women. Consumption of fennel is also beneficial for breastfeeding mothers, as it helps in increasing milk production. Beneficial for the skin. Fennel seeds and oil are also used in skin treatments. It reduces problems like acne, skin inflammation, and itching. Its antioxidant properties brighten the skin and make it feel fresh. Applying fennel oil on the skin helps moisturize it and reduce wrinkles. Helpful in reducing weight. Consumption of fennel helps in speeding up metabolism. It is helpful in reducing excess fat from the body. By adding fennel seeds to tea and drinking it, the process of burning calories in the body is accelerated and weight is reduced. It also helps in controlling appetite, which reduces the habit of unnecessary eating. Beneficial for mental health. Fennel seeds are also beneficial for mental health. It strengthens the nervous system, reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Consumption of fennel improves brain functioning and also enhances memory. Useful for the heart. Fennel seeds are also good for heart health. The antioxidants found in it improve blood circulation, which can reduce the risk of heart diseases. Apart from this, consumption of fennel is also helpful in controlling blood pressure and balancing cholesterol levels. Uses of fennel seeds for your health. For this, you have to soak 10 grams of fennel in a glass of water at night and make its juice in the mixer in the morning and drink it on an empty stomach without filtering it. Conclusion: it is also rich in many medicinal properties. Its chemical and physical properties make it extremely beneficial for the digestive system, skin, mental health, and heart health. Fennel is widely used in traditional medicine. Its regular consumption provides many health benefits to the body. Therefore, including fennel in your diet can be a good option for health. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.